Hi guys, welcome back. So today I will be trying out a comb straightener from Lassroka. So this is how the package came. This is what the comb straightener looks like. One of the most beautiful part of this straightener is that it has adjustable temperature and you can always go high and low depending on what you want to achieve. The package came with hair clips, it came with a maintenance brush, it came with a handy bag, and it also came with a protective glove. So guys, I am going to go ahead and try this. Let's see what we can achieve with this, and please don't forget that all of the details of this comb straightener is available in the description box. So guys, this is what it looks like just on one single stretch. I think this comb straightener did an excellent job on the 4C hair, but then let's try it on a kinky straight hair and see what we can achieve with it.
A little less, searching for missing little moments. It was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again.
So guys, at this point I am sure you will agree with me that this comb straightener is the bomb. Like, this is a must have for me. It is so very easy to use and it delivers the job. Like, it gets the job done. And don't forget that all of the details of this unit is available in the description box. So see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.